Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if you're new. I'm Melissa. What?
I have a mustache.
Oh, I didn't even notice. This is Jeff and Gwen, and we just took some really cute photos on our front porch. So here, you guys pretend you're taking a photo right now, and we'll model what we were, yep, exactly. So check out Instagram if you want to see how those turned out. We can kind of turn this into a little makeshift house tour if you want for Halloween.
Just show the skeleton real quick. We got the 12-footer.
You guys.
A couple little guys.
We got a 12-foot skeleton. And we have a skeleton horse and a bunch of other skeletons. We actually finished our little graveyard for Halloween. Oh, our tree fell down. Oh no. Dad'll fix it.
I gotta fix it. I gotta get some stakes. I gotta go to the probably Lowe's and get some stakes to put it in there. So.
All right. What's up, Gretchen? Oh, with you. Okay. Well, we'll show them the house so you guys go do whatever.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have a bunch of Halloween decorations.
Oh, wait. Act surprised.
Okay, wait. We're gonna be really surprised. Is it gonna happen? Oh my gosh! Surprise!
Yeah. That's kind of fun.
That is super fun. So actually, that is new. Jeff just put it together, what, today?
Yes. And it works pretty well. The trick is you have to get like a bag and fill it with rocks, or else the whole thing will shake because it's like.
Oh, I see. So this
fall
is one of
over.
the things that Spirit Halloween sent us this year. So thanks, Spirit. They also sent us a bunch of other stuff. We are doing a Hocus Pocus theme and some sponsored stuff for Spirit on Instagram this year.
Yeah.
So they sent us a bunch of really awesome stuff, which turned out amazing for decoration.
Check this out. I did this all by myself. Hand done.
Oh, please. Oh, please. You didn't do that.
I picked the pumpkins and the flowers and I wove them.
No, I did these bows. That's our wreath that I picked out last year, and we got some garland and stuff. You didn't do that, but all right. You could change the batteries out, Matt.
This is from School of Rock. If you like Jack Black.
That was a good show. Where did we see that show?
It's on London.
Oh, that was good. I remember. It was really, really good.
So,
all right.
Countdown calendar.
We've had this for a very long time.
We have. I got this when Gabrielle was a baby. If you can believe that. I love it too. And so this is our dining room.
Ta-da! I did the lights. Well, I mean, technically I did because I put batteries in all of them. And then Melissa told me where to put them.
Right. So this is our little centerpiece. We've got some little light up trees.
Yeah,
this is like
cool.
quick tour. Hey guys, you can see me in the mirror. Got some little trees.
Spooky.
Up, spooky fabric. That's right. There's a spider. Oh my gosh, there's a spider on our chandelier.
The little red eyes.
Yeah, this kind of crazy spell book. Put a spell on you.
Yeah.
Those are the Hocus Pocus theme. And then we have a bunch of other stuff on our bar too, guys. Like a little poison sign, little poison bottle, not too far off, right?
Yeah, right? Poison.
Yeah, some little, these little bottles are cute. I like how you
Black
just
cat
Vanna Whited it.
hisses, spirit of bat breath, and raven's brood.
Ooh, also, if you guys wanted to see a picture of Jeff when he was a little baby, look at this little picture that his mom gave us. Look at that. This is Jeff and his sister. Seriously, look at that little baby. That's your dad. Have you guys even seen that yet?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna give this to Dad so I can check on the spaghetti sauce, but you guys can finish showing the stuff around the house if you want.
Yeah, so living room, real quick. You'll see a lot of like ravens and birds and stuff. So we have like the flock back here. We have some stuff over here, some more Vanna Whiting.
This is our countdown.
Another countdown, a whole family of booze.
This has a story.
Well, yeah, what's the story?
Right when Mom got it, she said it was like a fancy ghost, and then she said, "Good day," and then she's like,
A good day.
"A good day, sir."
Good day to you. And then in here we have a whole bunch of like crow wreaths and ravens wreath. Well, they're black feathers. And there's like all these little ravens or crows kind of all over the place.
It's on
All right.
It smells so good.
Oh.
So we're having spaghetti and meatballs, and this is a sauce with the meatballs.
That looks good.
And it's simmering, and we're gonna do the spaghetti. Where's the... Okay, so this is what I found. Like, tell me if you guys think this is cute or not. Like, I thought it was adorable. I hope it tastes okay.
I never trust those. I always like, I think it's just something about the consistency of like the macaroni noodle when they're like that and they're all like
So should I make
thick.
regular spaghetti too, just in case?
No, I think it'll be okay, but like some of these are like, let me see if I can focus it. It's such a thick noodle. I don't know, maybe you just have to cook it a little longer.
Maybe. I don't know. I just saw it and I thought it was so cute. So, I don't know. Oh,
Speaking of cute,
what's
hey
up,
Willow. Hey girl, how you doing?
She's getting so big.
She's doing good. And the girls are like, over here. Dad, look. Dad.
So we're decorating
So these
cookies
are
tonight.
pumpkin cookies.
And Graceland had the idea. We didn't have orange frosting, but we have pumpkin cookies. So we're going to take this cream cheese frosting and
Yeah.
Frankenstein it into some orange-ish frosting.
Awesome.
And then they also have green and then whatever.
Oh, this has eyeballs?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Gummies?
That'll be super cute.
That will be fun. So we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna do a little cookie decorating. And yeah, let's hang out.
We're mixing the colors.
This is not a science. Like, we don't know what's gonna happen here. Hopefully it's orange.
It's kind of turning orange already.
Oh, it looks really pink. We might have pink pumpkins.
Put more yellow in it.
Hold on, we gotta see what this color turns into first. This looks pink.
Put more yellow.
We got the camera.
It looks more.
What?
Put more yellow in it. Yeah, it's pink.
Okay, 2 more drops. Okay, let's see. I don't know. That's too much.
It's dripping off the edges of this one.
I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is gonna work.
It's like a flesh kind of pink.
So we're all outside right now. Got everybody out here. Gabrielle's not at home right now. And I smelled something weird. And turns out the burner got blown out or something and just was on high gas.
Yep.
Releasing gas into the house.
While we had another burner on and candles lit, so we
I
don't
was
know
like-
how much gas is in the
I
house.
was like, what does that smell? It tasted like metallic almost. It tasted like, it tasted bad, right? You smell it?
Horrible.
So we opened all the doors and windows and let it kind of hang out for about a half hour and had all the fans on. So I'm pretty sure the gas has kind of dissipated. The girls are picking some strawberries. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys over there. They're picking some strawberries over there. You know what? I'm gonna take you guys real quick. I couldn't believe it. I was so excited. Oh, it hurts to move. So I had my surgery 2 weeks ago, and there's still internal stitches in there for 2 months. But the thing I'm excited about is hopefully these bananas. Not as bountiful as I thought. That's all it is right now. I actually cut the flower off because it had about another 1.5 feet of just vine going with no more bananas. So hopefully this thing ends up being edible. That would be really cool. But I was just amazed that we had bananas on our banana trees. So yeah, gonna be doing some decorating right now. Probably maybe the kids and Melissa go in the hot tub a little bit later. I'm not supposed to go in the pool or hot tub. I think they said for 2 weeks. So actually I'm probably right about the time. I'm pretty healed up. So maybe I'll even go in the hot tub and relax a little bit tonight too. So the girls are super excited and they're already crushing it over here. I was telling them we have way more cookies than we need. So our neighbor is a awesome dude. He's a widower and a veteran and really nice guy. We hang out at the front porch and get pizza sometimes, but gonna bring him a couple cookies and the girls are excited to decorate for him as well. So this is cool. Look at Mom's got stripes on.
It's from the window covering.
From the light. All right, so let's see what we got here. Can you show me, Gretchen, the different sprinkle options? Oh, what are those, like bats and rats?
Yeah, okay.
And cats?
So I'm using this one and
Let's say some for
this
Gabrielle,
like
okay?
candy corn.
Candy corn colored one.
So this one's
Icing.
definitely for Gemma because she's licking the thing.
Well, sometimes you have to just have a quality control taste test, right, Gemma? Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta be like, hey, is this good enough for my mom? Let me just make sure.
Let me just make sure. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
Gwen's over here like an artist, getting it done.
What do you think is the
All
frosting
right.
orange, babe?
You know what? That's actually a much better orange than I even thought it could or would be. That's a really,
It's like a
really
light
good
orange.
orange.
I like it.
Yeah, it's good. How's it taste, Gemma?
Good.
Is it a good tasting orange?
As eating it. You're so excited.
That looks great. Look at that.
Sweetie?
Some high quality ones.
Gemma's the most excited about hers.
Oh, is it time to eat?
Are we having cookies before dinner?
Busted.
As they're already eating them?
Totally busted. Let's see. Yours is just like a pile of sugar, and yours too. Oh, you went light on the sprinkles, didn't you? You were like, I don't have time for this. Somebody got into more cookies, didn't you? I'm gonna show everybody what you were doing. Look at this. Little bit of this and a little bit of that, and fingers on this and fingers on that. So now we're gonna have our world famous ravioli. Okay, and some salad, and we're kind of cleaning up a little bit. We're gonna have some dinner, and then we'll make sure to show you guys also what's going on. It's gonna get a little bit darker, and then we'll show you the front yard. Halloween spaghetti's looking pretty good. Got ravioli
We made
and
ravioli
Halloween
too.
spaghetti and meatballs, and how you doing with it? Good? Good, all right, well, chow time. That sauce looks fantastic. Is that all homemade, or did you just kinda
I added in meatballs, but I made the sauce initially, so it's like just kind of supplementing with extra meat.
Perfect. Looks great. It's a little bit later now. A couple of us went swimming in the hot tub, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you guys to the front yard now that it's dark. I guess you can kind of see it's dark outside, and we're gonna show you our extravaganza. Did you want to come out too and take a look?
Yeah, it's gonna be really, really cool. You wanna go outside, Willow?
So here we go. Let me kind of walk out a little bit into the yard and turn it around.
Oh, this is fancy.
So we have all these skeletons, 12-foot skeleton. There's a skeleton against that pole, skeleton there, skeleton over there on that pole. And then we have like all these like little zombies and things coming out of the yard and some little haunted trees. It's pretty cool.
We got a skeleton horse over there.
Yeah, skeleton horse, but we need to get a little more light on it. It's kind of hiding back there without the light, but
See it coming.
it's pretty epic. And on the other side of the house, we have one more surprise. We have this 12-foot snake from Beetlejuice, kind of like the sand monster.
Yeah.
So that thing's pretty epic too. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out our Instagrams. We do lots of fun stuff over there, and TikToks. Gabrielle and I dance a lot.
I'm not very good at dancing,
Yeah,
but
so
you'll enjoy it.
But yeah, check it out on Instagram, and we will see you guys real soon.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.